Next is data bar. Data bar is, let me select one option here. There are two options of coloring. One is gradient fill and other is solid fill. So gradient fill gives you a shaded coloring, whereas solid fill is solid fill, as you understand. So what does this give? This gives a pictorial graph in terms of a bar chart corresponding to the numbers in each cell, and the topmost number, highest number, will have 100% filling of the cell. So what does this help us? It basically gives you a visual view of which is the highest number and what are the other numbers relatively. For example, this one is roughly less than 50%, around 40% of the top value. This one is around 10 to 15%, and so on. This second one is approximately half the size, so it gives us an indication that roughly it is 50% of the value. So this is again for a visual analysis of your data.